Hello and welcome. In this video, we will take a closer look at the integration into the KUMAVISION dispatch. This ensures that items already put away on their carriers can also be easily dispatched to the customer via the KUMAVISION dispatch. To use the functionality of the Packages Carrier's Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central extension, some initial settings are required in Business Central. In this video, only the specific setup required for integration with the KUMAVISION dispatch are explained in detail. Additional configurations are mentioned briefly, but not discussed further. Furthermore, it is assumed that you have already set up the KUMAVISION dispatch for use. First, in the inventory setup, the Enable Carriers toggle must be activated, and if necessary, a number series for package number assignment should be specified. Additionally, for integration into KUMAVISION dispatch, the dispatch integration toggle must be activated. To do this, we will now switch to Business Central. First, we open the inventory setup. Since the Enable Carriers is already activated, the Carrier Management Fast tab is also visible. On this Fast tab, we now activate the integration into the dispatch by enabling the toggle. All necessary settings have now been made in this setup, and we can close it. Since item tracking is the basic for package or carrier tracking, appropriate item tracking must be set up. This item tracking must then be assigned to the items that are put away together with their carriers. In the system, the usual carriers that are used for putting away or dispatching items must also be set up so that they are available for selection during the process. For integration into dispatch, it is essential that the inventory of the items be dispatched together with their carriers is available in the warehouse. To send the items together with their carrier to the customer, the order is created in Business Central, and the shipment is posted so that it is ready for further processing in dispatch. We open the sales orders and start with a new sales order. First, the customer who ordered the items is entered at the header of the order. Then, the ordered items are entered in the lines below. In our example, 1,000 humidity sensors were ordered. The humidity sensors are usually put away in our warehouse in Euro boxes and dispatched to the customer in this way. Since the tracking of packages or carriers is based on item tracking, before posting the shipment, we need to specify through item tracking which carriers, including items, are to be dispatched. To do this, we open the item tracking lines and use the carrier number field to select which carriers are to be delivered. After assigning them, we can leave the page and post the ship. Finally, we transfer the shipment to a dispatch order. The 2 Euro boxes are loaded together onto a pallet as a carrier. Back in Business Central, we open the dispatch orders list via the Tell Me function and create a new one by new. First, we specify the shipping location in the header of the dispatch order. Via the Posted Documents action, we select our posted sales shipment to transfer it into the lines of the dispatch order. Now, in the lines, we can see that the humidity sensors are shown together with their carriers. Since we want to ship the 2 Euro boxes together on one pallet, we add another carrier in the form of a pallet to the lines. And afterwards, we assign the Euro boxes to the pallet. Before we release and post the dispatch order, we select the shipping agent and the shipping agent service in the header. We can then release and post the dispatch order. In this video, the integration of KUMAVISION Dispatch 4 packages carriers Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central extension was presented. Feel free to also watch our other videos about this functionality or to visit our online help at the given link. Thanks for watching.